Alright, so I'm going to tell the story of how Guns N' Roses fixed my 2012 Toyota Sienna stereo. So you can see the radio here, presets and all that, got the volume all the way up, but no sound. So I got to thinking, I switched the auxiliary, tried my Bluetooth on my phone, tried the connection down here to hardwire to the aux for my phone, still no sound. Put a CD in up here, still nothing. Just no sound coming out of the radio. So start looking online, looks like there's issues with amps and all this business, can't find any solution. So I came out here, it's about 94 degrees of course. Came out here to try to troubleshoot it a little bit. And this particular van has down here the DVD player. So I cleared that. There's definitely not a DVD in there. So I thought, well, we'll see what happens when we put one in. So I found some Muppets and put it in there. I flipped the movie screen down in the back, no screen, can't find the remote, can't find the headset, my kids trash everything. But I noticed, there you go, that about 15 seconds after putting the DVD in, I have the radio station again, see? Oh, and it lasts about 8 seconds. So I did this over and over and finally determined that when you put a DVD in, the radio works. There's playback for about 8 seconds of just FM tuner. I never did get the Muppets to play. So I kind of determined that maybe this thing thinks the DVD player is engaged and thinks it shouldn't broadcast anything over the stereo so it doesn't conflict with the little kiddies in the back with their headsets on. So I grabbed some trusty Guns N' Roses, put that in there, and when I did that,
and people are looking for a new sense of freedom.
Now
is celebrating our freedom with the 4th of July
the radio works.
Right now. Check out.
I don't know why, but I'm gonna go with it. So there you have it, 2012 Toyota Sienna. Obviously some weirdness going on. I've had this car a long time, not looking to trade it. And probably have to put a different CD in there because I like to listen to GNR once in a while. And hopefully remember to take it out before I trade it. So that's how that works. Good luck, everybody.